I am going to show you how to use the Sex Offender Registry. We have one in the United States. You can search all 50 states. You can also search on your local law enforcement website. There's also a sex offender registry in Canada, but they don't make the information public. But that law should be changed. In America, it's public information, and you have the right to know if a sex offender moves into your neighborhood or if he's at your church, which there's been quite a few sex offenders in the last few years in churches. And say people like Robert Morris, if he had been convicted years ago, he would have never been a pastor because he would have been a registered sex offender. Also, Todd Bentley, if he had been prosecuted for his offenses, he would not be allowed back into public ministry. He would be on the sex offender registry. And in Canada, there's allegations against the pastor Art Lucier. Of course, he has not been convicted yet of anything, but if he is convicted, he will be placed on the Canadian Sex Offender Registry. And so, as much as some of these preachers and these boards and whatever, they want to restore people, restore them, but they do not belong in pulpits. They do not belong around children. They do not belong as pastors and prophets. Another one was Bob Jones, said he was bringing women into his office and asking them to disrobe. If he had been convicted of that, he would have been on the sex offender registry, and no one would have been proclaiming him to be some kind of a great prophet. It's sick. The whole system is sick, and we need to change it.